Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Instacart Marketplace earnings to US Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from the Instacart Marketplace to your US Bank account, begin by opening the Instacart app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Instacart account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Earnings tab, typically found in the main menu. In the Earnings section, you'll see your total earnings displayed prominently. Look for the option that says Withdraw Earnings or similar. Tap on that option to begin the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to enter your bank account details if you haven't done so already. Ensure you enter the correct routing number and account number for your bank. Once you've entered your bank information, double-check to confirm its accuracy. After confirming your bank details, select the amount you wish to withdraw. If you're unsure, consider withdrawing the full amount available. Proceed by tapping Withdraw or a similar confirmation button. You might receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Funds usually take a few business days to appear in your bank account. Check your bank account after a few days to ensure the withdrawal has processed. If you encounter any issues, visit the Instacart Help Center for further assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal of your earnings from Instacart to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.